We live. YouTube family. What is going on today with everyone, man? Hey, welcome back and welcome to all the newcomers. It is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at y'all today, man, with another unboxing video. But this is a special unboxing video, man. Big shout out, man, to the good people over at City Gear as well as Hibbett Sports, because I know that Hibbett Sports owns them now. But big shout out to City Gear, man. They reached out to me and said that they want to do something major for me, which is send me over a pair of shoes. Truly a blessing, man. They did not have to do that, and I truly appreciate them for doing that. I'm just thinking and taking it as a blessing. When you do positive things in life, I feel like it comes back to you, man. Quick story time. I know we just started into the video and y'all probably want to see what the shoe is and all that, but I just want to just bring this to your attention. Not too long ago, it's probably about a month now actually, to put a date, a time stamp on it. It was around the time the alternate grapes released. Somebody was asking me about the alternate grapes, said that they want them, and I said, I got you, man. I'm gonna look out for you. So I ended up getting them that pair of shoe, and it was just out of the kindness of my heart. I did it for free. I said, you don't owe me nothing. You don't have to shout me out or tell anybody that I got it for you. This is just from me to you. And I firmly believe that if you do something for somebody, you shouldn't really look for like praise from them, or them to kind of get you recognized by other people or anything like that, because then it's not genuine to me. You know what I'm saying? It's like you're doing it for something. So I feel like this was a blessing that just came back to me, because 2 weeks after this happened, a few weeks after it happened, I got a DM from City Gear, man, and they was like, hey, they want to do this for me, and blah blah blah. But long story short, man, I feel like if you do good in life, man, no matter what you do, you keep positive vibes, and you get what you put out into this world, man. So like I said, I just want to say that just be positive, and just do what you're supposed to be doing in life, and everything will fall into place, man. But big shout out to them again for sending me over this package. Like I said, I was just kind of going off of that subject, but I did want to get that point across. I'm thinking that this was a blessing, from the man up above. Whatever y'all believe in, there is somebody upstairs, man. But just wanted to let y'all know that, man. But let's go ahead and get into this unboxing and see what they sent over your boy, man. Let's go ahead and do it. Ooh. Appreciate that, Hibbett. Appreciate that, City Gear. Bang! Boxes, man. Yes, man. They sent your boy over this package. Let me go ahead and get my box cutter so I can see what they sent me. And yeah, we'll see what we got in here, man. Hope y'all having a great, blessed, and awesome day, man. We got a lot of things going on. A little off topic. We got the off-white 4s getting ready to drop, man. I guess just retailers, Nike sneakers app already had them. Most of us all took L's, but we got one last chance, man. Hopefully, hey, I'm gonna wish good luck to this is crazy, but I'm wishing good luck to each and every one of you all, man, that want to get them and wear them. Resellers, hey, you are all on your own. But for everybody that wants to get them and wear them, man, I wish y'all the best of luck. Hopefully y'all can get a pair secured for retail. Hit that thumbs up, yeah. For good luck on them off-whites, man. Hit that thumbs up button for your boy, man. But damn, I'm having trouble with this box. But let's go ahead and see what they sent me. So, taking a look inside the box. Bam! You see what it is. It's a red Nike box, man. Usually your boy has Jordan boxes. Y'all already know how we look at the background. Let me put my head down. Hey, you know how I do, man. But yes, this is a red box, man. So this is not, it is, I guess, usual. It's a Nike box, man. But you know what your boy get down with. But yes, got that box right here. What do we got in here? We got a paper. This is just a receipt. It's just a receipt. So nothing that y'all need to see. Just a receipt. But bam, red Nike box that we got right there. Size tag on this one. Check it out. It reads Air Max 97 QS. They sent your boy over some Air Max, man. The color blocking on this one is black, white, chili red, or I'm gonna say chili red. So that is the color blocking. These retail for $170, and let's check them out, man. Moment of truth, man. We're peeling back that lid. We get our, white shoe paper on this one, lot number in the corner, and let's see what we got. Bang! Upside down. So let's get them out. But yes. Ooh, yes. Yes. These are. Let me get myself right, man. 1 second. Let's try it again. Bang! Yes. So, man. Big shout out to City Gear, man, for sending your boy over a pair of Air Max 97 Henshin Tigers. Yes, or I call them the Lavas. I call these the Air Max 97 Lavas, but I believe the official name is the Henshin Tigers, man. But yes, man, these are hard. These are dope, man. Just not really your regular Air Max stuff on these, man. We don't normally get this pop of color like this on these Air Max behind the tongue and stuff like that. It's just the color blocking, man. The color blocking is everything on this shoe, man. You got that, it's like that flame look or lava look, you know what I'm saying? But I'm guessing that this is the colors of, it must be a baseball team, because you do got a baseball mound, like the field layout right there in the middle. So that Henshin Tigers is the name. But yes, man, truly appreciate this. This is something that holds, value and a special place in my heart, because they sent this over to me. This will never leave the collection, man. I'm gonna wear this, and yeah, man, I'm gonna rock it with pride, man. I'm gonna rock it to my fullest potential, man. So thank you, City Gear, for sending me over this pair, man. Very dope. I am very appreciative of it. And yes, man, hey, your boy has to give back to the family because of this blessing that I just got, man. So I will try to. It was supposed to be a giveaway at 20K, but in a matter of weeks, we've gained almost 10,000 members of the fam, man. So when we hit that 30K mark, I will definitely drop that video. It is an Air Max video that has the instructions on how to enter the giveaway. It will be an early free pair of shoes for like the first place winner. I'll be giving away some socks as well as some gift cards and stuff, man. So stay tuned, man. I have to bless y'all back, for them blessing me with these, man. But yes, quick look, I will be doing a review and on feet to these, man. So I'm not gonna go too deep into it, man. Hit y'all with a little bit of B-roll at the end of the video. You know how I get down with it. But dope, man, just dope. The yellow, orange, red, and it has a different material, as you can see, you know what I'm saying? Like, man, we gonna get into it during the review of these, man. But canvas material, very dope, man. These are hard, man. Let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on these Air Max, man. Are y'all rocking with them? Are y'all feeling them? Can we take a look at that back? Yeah, see that back tag right there, that back tab. But yes, are y'all feeling these? Is it something that y'all would add to the collection? And like I said, I can't complain, man. These were sent to me. This is a very dope shoe. And yeah, man, hey, stay tuned, man. We might have an early look of some heat tomorrow, man. But yes, man, I thank y'all for stopping through, checking out the video, man. Y'all go ahead and head over to City Gear. If y'all are not following them on social media, follow them on social media. They're posting dope pics and stuff over there, as well as shop with them, man. They got nice gear over on their sites, man. I shop with them quite frequently in my local areas. So yes, thank them again. And yeah, man, we checking out with the Air Max 97 Henshin Tigers. Dope in my opinion, man. But reviewing on feet with lace swaps coming soon. But until then, man, I'm gone, man. Truly a blessing, man. Y'all stay positive. Peace.
Yeah, Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Got the people's eye, yeah, I keep that fire. Better watch me now, the heat I'm popping now. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy.